Time for a look at this week's weather, and Georgina, you never thought you'd have to follow a singing postbox.
No, that's a first.
Great though.
Definitely, yeah, definitely. Now, do you prefer the chilly weather, or do you prefer it to be milder but wet and windy? Because it has been a little bit on the chilly side over the last week or so, but it's all change over the next few days. So becoming milder, but also more wet and windy. Those winds really peaking on Wednesday. But today was really all about the cloud. We did have a few showers around, but certainly for most of us, it was a cloudy day. This was captured by one of our weather watchers, Nicholas from Islington. Do love a picture with chimney pots in there. So over in Richmond, a very similar sky taken by Bob Jones. So thank you to all our weather watchers for your rather grey pictures today. Now, it's not going to be changing much in the way of the cloudy skies, but for tomorrow, a bit of a misty start to the day and becoming increasingly wet and windy. There is a fair bit of cloud around at the moment, but as we head through the night, there will be some breaks, but for many of us, staying cloudy. And we may see a few showers, particularly further southeast in London you are. Overnight, though, that mist and fog is likely to develop in the early hours of the morning. And it may be that we get down to 1, perhaps even 0 degrees. So it's likely we'll see a bit of ground frost, particularly on the outskirts in more rural spots. So for tomorrow morning, it's a frosty, misty start to the day. That mist and fog take a little while to clear, but once it does, we should have some breaks for some brightness and perhaps even sunny spells. But you can see that cloud increasing from the southwest ahead of some rain that we'll see through the afternoon. So for tomorrow, we're looking at highs of about 9 degrees Celsius, and the winds will be picking up as well. Now, that rain moves off to the northeast overnight, and then we're left with a few showers behind and a fairly cloudy one as well. But on Wednesday, that is when the winds are really picking up, and we may see gusts of up to 40-45 miles per hour, some further outbreaks of rain, and again a fairly wet and windy day on Thursday. It's continuing to be quite unsettled at the end of the week as well, but we're fairly mild for the most part. So let's have a look at those temperatures over the next few days. We are seeing a bit of a peak through Wednesday and Thursday, drop again on Friday, but then we're back up near to the mid-teens as we head into the end of the week and over the weekend. So milder, but more wet and windy.
Okay, Georgina, thanks very much.